Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to Play, our weekly news roundup brought to you by Hydroflux, a leading provider of tailored water treatment solutions. Because no two operations are the same, Hydroflux emphasises the importance of customised water and wastewater solutions to meet specific needs. In the news this week, SPC announced it has raised $20 million through a fixed-rate unsecured notes with a 4-year term at 9% per annum. It will mature in April 2029. At the end of December, the group announced it had the capacity to draw down new debt facilities for up to $160 million. At the end of 2024, it had utilised $111 million, and this $20 million will make up part of the remaining $49 million. Managing Director Robert Ivasi said that the focus will now shift to consolidating the Mill Park and Shepparton factories, which will deliver $4 to $5 million in savings annually. Woolworths has selected Relex Solutions to a supply chain and retail planning provider to implement its automatic replenishment system technology in Woolies distribution centres and in 1,400 stores in ANZ. Relex said it uses AI to reduce food waste by up to 40% and cut store shelving time by up to 20%. Australian tech startup Fair Supply has developed what it says is a world-first supply chain tariff calculator. The company says it will transform how businesses understand and respond to the economic fallout of global tariffs. Using its proprietary engine that maps more than 60 billion global supply chains, it calculates cumulative tariff impact across multiple tiers of international trade, not just at the border. After craft brewery Deeds Brewing closed last month, the co-founder of independent brewer Stomping Ground, Steve Jafaris, is planning to revive its taproom into a new venue. Jafaris said he didn't acquire Deeds Brewing or brand, but has leased its former taproom from the new owners of the building. He's yet to name the venue, but says it will champion the best independent breweries, beverage producers and food suppliers, with a particular focus on Melbourne and Victoria. The Australian Food Pact has received the Business Services and Solutions Award at the 36th Banksia Foundation National Sustainability Awards for its achievements in reducing food waste across the supply chain. Food and beverage manufacturers were well represented this year in the Banksia Awards, including Hive finalist Gina's Table. JBS and Too Good To Go were others. The Voluntary Pact was launched in 2021 by End Food Waste Australia, and it supports companies in taking voluntary action, setting measurable goals and working collectively to reduce waste while achieving positive economic, social and environmental outcomes. It also fosters partnerships between growers and manufacturers, retailers and other key sectors, promoting a whole-of-chain approach to ensure waste is prevented rather than shifted. Over the past 3 years, the Pact has grown to 41 signatories. In 2024 alone, they saved $57 million by reducing food waste. Since 2022, they have reduced their food waste by 13% or 16,000 tonnes. And they've repurposed 982,000 tonnes of food to food relief agencies and upcycling projects. The global philanthropic arm of the Coca-Cola Company, the Coca-Cola Foundation, has teamed up with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation and launched a 3-year $800,000 project to revive the Great Barrier Reef's seagrass meadows. Now, the Hive Awards long lunch is on in early May, on the 8th of May in Sydney. Go to thehiveawards.com.au for all the details. It's a wonderful opportunity to network as well as celebrate some pretty remarkable companies, and we would love to see you there. Head to the website foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au for all of these stories and more. Have a safe and happy Easter and Anzac Day long weekend. We're taking a little short break next week, so normal programming will resume on April 28. Thanks to Hydroflux for its ongoing support. And with that, I'm Kim Berry, over and out.